Hi, hello, I am Teacher Lucy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. And this is my friend there. Okay, how are you today? Are you happy or sad? Teacher Lucy is happy too. Now it's singing time. Now look at here and let's sing together. Apple, apple, ah, ah, ah. Baby, baby, b, b, b. Cookie, cookie, tally, tally, t. Elbow, elbow, eh. Flower, flower, garden, garden, ga. Hammer, hammer, ha. Igloo, igloo, e. Jelly, jelly, ja. Kitchen, kitchen, lion, lion, monkey, monkey, necklace, necklace, ostrich, ostrich, pumpkin, pumpkin, pa, quarter, quarter, quack, rabbit, rabbit, scissors, scissors, tiger, tiger, undershirt, undershirt, ah. Vacuum, vacuum, window, window, wah. X-ray, X-ray, yellow, yellow, yeah. Zebra, zebra, z. Okay, our topic for today is all about consonant, vowel, consonants. Okay, now we have five syllables like na, ne, ni, no, na. Say it again. Na, ne, ni, no, na. Okay, now we are going to learn to add the sounds and then the syllables. Now look at here. Okay, now this is na. Again, na. Add the sounds like b. Okay, now read faster. Nap. Again, nap. Okay, look at this. The baby is nap. Okay, good job. Okay, how about this one? This is ne. Okay, add the sounds with s. Okay, repeat after me. Nest. And then we have the last sound t. Nest. Nest. Okay, this is a nest. Good job. Okay, another one. This is me. Me. Add the sounds with b. Okay, now add the sounds and then the syllables. Okay, nib. Nib. Okay, this is a nib. Okay, good job. Okay, another one. Let us read. No. No. Add the sounds with b. Okay, let us repeat. Knob. Read faster. Nub. Okay, this is a nub. Good job. Okay, another one. This is a hard sounds and syllable. Okay, let us read. N, and then the sounds is t. Net. Net. Have you have you seen like this? Net. Okay, good job. Because of that, Hershey Star Apple. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, now let us read our sentences. Just listen, okay, look, and say. Okay, let us read. The nut is good for brain. Okay, once more. The nut is good for brain. Okay, good job. Another one. Let us read. Okay, now listen, teacher Lucy. eyes on me and say, okay, let us read. The boy nap on the floor. Again, the boy nap on the floor. Okay, good job. Because of that, Hershey Star Apple. Yum, yum, yum. God bless. Bye-bye.